So today we are going to study about componendo and dividendo rule. Suppose there are two ratios, A is to B and C is to D, which you can write in fraction form, A by B and C by B. So if we apply the componendo and the dividendo rule, so according to this rule, what we do is, in the numerator, this is the numerator, in the numerator we add the denominator and we subtract it as well. So if we apply this rule to this fraction or to this ratio, so the fraction will become, first of all we will write A, and in the numerator we will add the denominator one time, and then again we will write the numerator, and then we will be minus, we will be subtracting the denominator. So in the similar way, in the right side also we will do the same. First of all we will take the numerator, then we add the denominator, and then we do the same thing but we will subtract the denominator this time. So this is the componendo and dividendo rule. So we get to see such kind of questions in trigonometry. So if we proceed in this problem, if we have to find the value of theta, and if we do the traditional method here, it will take a lot of time to calculate the value of theta. So for this reason we can apply the componendo and the dividendo rule. So according to the rule, it was like, if we take a fraction, this is the numerator and this is the denominator. So in the numerator we add the denominator first, and then after that in the numerator again we subtract the denominator. So you will be using the same thing here as well, and also the same thing goes in the right hand side part of the sum. So here if we apply the rule of componendo and dividendo, so in place of A there is cos theta minus sin theta, and in place of B there is cos theta plus sin theta. So if we apply the componendo and the dividendo rule here, so it will become like cos theta minus sin theta. So first of all, this is the numerator, so we will be adding the denominator. What is the denominator? Cos theta plus sin theta. So we will be adding here cos theta plus sin theta. Now again we will be taking the numerator and we will be subtracting the denominator, cos theta plus sin theta. So here minus sin theta and minus sin theta will be cancelled out, so here it will be 2 cos theta in the numerator. So similarly here we can do cos theta minus sin theta. So if we break down the minus, so if we break down the bracket, then it will become minus cos theta minus sin theta. So now if we see, then we can cancel cos theta and minus cos theta. So now the remaining portion is 2 cos theta and minus 2 sin theta. Now let us cancel 2 and 2. So it will be minus cos theta by sin theta, and we know that this is minus cos theta. So this is our left hand side. So similarly in the right hand side also, if we apply the same rule, so here root 3 minus 1 is the numerator and root 3 plus 1 is the denominator. So let us apply the same rule, then it will become like this, root 3 plus 1 and root 3 minus 1 minus root 3 plus 1. So minus 1 and minus 1 will be cancelled, root 3 plus root 3 will be 2 root 3. Again here it will be root 3 minus 1. If you break down the minus in the bracket, then it will be minus root 3 minus 1. So it will be minus and minus will be cancelled. So 2 root 3 by minus 2. So if we cancel 2 and 2, it becomes minus root 3. So this is our right hand side. So now we will be doing the main simplification. So in the left hand side we will be getting minus cos theta, and in the right hand side we got minus root 3. So cancel this minus and minus, so it will be cot theta equal to root 3. Now we know that cot 30 degree is root 3, so cot theta equal to cot 30 degree, and will be cot and cot will be cancelled, so theta's value is 30 degree.